Now, there's heaps and heaps of conferencing and social connections apps out there. You might find you'll see Messenger or Lifesize, Google Hangouts, a whole bunch of ways of being connected. And they mostly work much the same. But today, I'm going to tell you about Zoom. So when you first start out with Zoom, it's like any other app or website or service, you need to sign up. First of all, you need to visit the website. You'll need to confirm your date of birth, enter your email address, and then they will send you a confirmation email to your email. Click on the link, and that's when you get started. Create a username and a password. It's always a good idea to write down your username and your password so you don't forget. Now, the next step is really important. What you need to do is download the app. You're always going to get your best results with an app rather than using the website. And you can download that for whichever device you are going to use, be that your iPad, your PC, or even your smartphone. Before you do any kind of conferencing, you're going to want to test your audio and your video. So you pop on your headphones and there'll be a little settings section. It's over on the right-hand side usually. It looks like a little cog or a gear. Pop your headphones on. Have a little chat to yourself, tra-la-la, testing 1, 2, 3, and you will see a little line that moves up and down, and sometimes it'll even speak back to you so you can hear yourself talk. Once you do that, you will have tested your earphones as well. You'll be able to do the same kind of thing for the camera. You can even make yourself extra pretty. Once you've done that, it's time to join a meeting. Now, if that meeting's been organised by somebody else, you'll most likely get an email with a link. And once you've downloaded the app, it's as simple as just clicking on that link, going to the meeting, it'll launch, and it becomes pretty obvious what you can do. You can also check out a whole bunch of YouTube videos. There's more and more and more showing you exactly how all your different options work during meetings. There's even some cool backgrounds you can download, so you can sit on the TARDIS, on a spaceship, or out in a forest when you're having your social get-together with friends and family, or that meeting with your school teacher. If you want to host a meeting, again, it's super simple. All you need to do is click on Schedule a Meeting. You'll have lots of different options. You can make it private. We always suggest that you click on Create a Password, and that way you know that the only people who are coming to your Zoom meeting are the people that you're inviting in. If you want to know more about this, always feel free to check out YouTube or even call a library staff member, and we'll be happy to talk you through it. Hope you have a wonderful time connecting with your friends and family. Stay safe, and we look forward to seeing you in the library.